What's going on, everybody? It's Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group, and I've got a great video for you if you're thinking about renovating your home. I'm going to be focusing on 5 areas that you should be looking at if you want to get the highest return on investment, especially before you sell. So the first one seems pretty obvious, and that's going to be your kitchen. The kitchen is the hub of your home, right? Where you're going to be entertaining people, spending quite a bit of time in there. Now, there's been a lot of different trends throughout the years, and the trend that we're in right now is more of a neutral tone. So that includes white quartz and white cabinets with a darker accent feature for the hardware. So the second spot is going to be the bathroom. Now, it's great if you can fit in a partner sink and also have a shower that's been tiled with glass doors. The third spot is going to be the flooring. Now, you want this to be as seamless throughout the property as much as you can, and it is a bit of a toss-up if you want carpet or hardwood throughout the bedrooms. So the fourth is going to be a feature or an accent wall. Now, this can be found in the primary bedroom or maybe in the living room where the fireplace is. This wall is going to be a little bit different than the rest, where either it's a darker contrast of paint or different texture such as a herringbone design. Keep it simple but also stylish. Now, the fifth is going to be curb appeal, and this goes after the psychology of first impressions. Now, you don't need to spend a lot of money here, but it goes a long way, and this could just be keeping the grass cut, getting rid of the dead plants, and planting fresh ones. Now, that's everything I got for you folks today. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.